Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can insert AdSense code or just use AdSense within cPanel. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this Qualo guide simply because I do not have access to cPanel at the moment, so I won't be able to show you guys, by doing it. However, this guide is very simple and easy to follow, so I'll show you guys exactly what you need to do. So the first thing you need to go do is go and log into cPanel. You can access it by typing in your IP address, your server IP address in the URL bar, and then after that adding :2083, which is the port for cPanel, or you can use your domain address, which again you can use :2083 after your domain address, or you can type in /cPanel and it'll take you to the login. Then you just log in and that's pretty much it. Then you need to launch the site builder and then go to the page where you want to insert your AdSense code, and at the top toolbar you will see an AdSense widget, which you just need to add to your site wherever you want. And then once you've added it, you just need to double click it and add the properties. Now of course you do need to have an AdSense account, and you do need to have access to AdSense code. And once you're in the editor, you can double click on it, click the pencil, whatever you want, and in the property section under general you need to add your AdSense code here in the HTML field, copy it there, paste it there, apply, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's all there is to it. You should tick the box to deactivate content while in builder, simply so that scripts do not interfere with it. And then if you go to options, it'll let you change the size, position, and show it in all or specific pages on your website. And then once you're done with the options, just click apply and you're done with everything. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.